Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You join me in Wales. Been away on a Bluetit weekend, which is the open water swimming group from my hometown. We try and get somewhere once a year and we call it Tits on Tour, and this year into South Wales. We're about 40 miles north of Cardiff at Merthyr Tydfil. We went and swam under some waterfalls and it was absolutely spectacular. Very cold water. A group of 10 of us, so we went to the 4 falls walk. Got to 3 of the falls on a very hot sunny day. It was sweet relief when we got in the cold water to cool down a bit. And yeah, we had a great weekend. Beautiful day, already 25 degrees, or 23 degrees. So I've just set the nav up. There's a winding route to get to Chepstow and then onto the M4 for the boring bit home. So I just crossed the cattle grid. Almost guarantees a pretty nice road, a cattle grid. Just past one sheep in the road, so I'll keep an eye out for them. Oh, and another one. They don't seem that worried, so all good. Happy days. So we're just on the edge of the Brecons. I was hoping yesterday to get out and go for a ride, but unfortunately it didn't happen. The time it took us to get to the waterfalls and back meant it was probably nearly 6 o'clock by the time we got back to the Air B&B last night, so gonna have to make the most of it today. Stopped in the wrong place, I should have stopped up here. Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm going to head off down through that valley, superb. Oh, look at the old Mustang. Wow. This is the frustrating bit about Wales. Yes, there's some houses, but does it really need to be 20 miles an hour? So you might notice I've gone back to the Navigator 6 instead of the phone cradle with Calimoto. I love Calimoto, it's brilliant for planning a route, but it can be a bit unreliable. Sometimes it drops out, sometimes it struggles to see where you are and therefore you lose your position, and then it can be a bit buggy sometimes as well. It's a brilliant app. I love the way it can plan, I love the way it has the twisty settings. But an advantage of the Navigator 6 is you can pin locations very easily, particularly when you're connected to the bike like I am. So it's because of the connectivity that I like it so much. It isn't necessarily the nicest interface, but I think I'm going to give it a go, get a bit more involved in learning how to properly use it and see if I can make it work better for me than anything else. I mean, the fail-safe would be Google Maps, of course, but having a dedicated navigation system is probably the best way to do it. But I'll keep you updated on that. 20-degree incline, that's quite steep. Hill hold, I love the hill hold on this bike. It's such a good feature on a motorbike, particularly when you're fully loaded and carrying a pillion. It's an invaluable feature for a big bike like this. Absolutely stunning. not the most wild bit of Wales, but it is beautiful. Well, there's definitely worse things to be doing on a Sunday morning, that's for sure. Heading home from a weekend with the Tits on tour, Bluetits, where we went and swam under waterfalls. Friday afternoon and evening was just a ride down the motorway to get to Wales, and then today I left shortly after 9 and I'm going to do some wiggly roads through Wales, and if the temperature stays low like it is, I might continue doing that to get back into England. And once I'm over the bridge, Friday was very hot, 34, 35 degrees. That was hard work. I'm not complaining about riding in the sun, but that was hard work, and I was beat by the time I got to the Air B&B. But this, 24 degrees, this is just lovely. Blue sky, empty roads, me and the big cheers. So I've had the bike for just over a year now, and I absolutely love it. This bike can do so much. It can do everything you need it to do. It's no surprise that this is one of the, if not the best selling bike in the UK. It's comfy, it's fast enough, it's capable enough, and it literally can go anywhere. And everyone says that, I know, but it's not a lie. This bike will keep up with sports bikes, it will keep up with anything. On the twisties and on the rougher roads, it's probably better than a sports bike, and even two up, fully loaded, it will absolutely batter the roads without even drawing a sweat. 5 years ago I wouldn't have been seen dead on one of these. Then when I went to my first clan ride in Devon, led by Brian and Mike, and I rode with a few on my GTR 1400 and realised that I couldn't keep up. I mean, it's unbelievable. These things are incredible. So I'm so very glad that I was in a position to be able to get one. And now I've gone wrong, because I'm talking, not concentrating on the map. I do it all the time. Start chatting away and talking to you guys, and then don't concentrate on the map and end up doing some different roads instead. Oh, well, never mind. Right, what was I saying? Oh yeah. Then I rode with some in a group and realised that I couldn't keep up. Now, I'm by no means a fast rider, but when it comes to the clan rides, I'm one of the faster riders. And the GTR is an incredible machine, but this is just a step above. It's just incredible. Don't know what else to say about it, really. Alright, travel the path less travelled. This path is definitely less travelled. There's a few houses up here, but pretty steep as well. Big mother. Cheers, pal. Thank you very much. So just stopped and replenished the fluids in me and in the bike. Filled the old girl up. I'm just outside Chipping Sodbury. Came over the bridge, over the Severn, and did a little bit of mileage on the motorway, just to cover a little bit of distance. And then temperature's not soaring today, so it's still only 26 degrees. So I thought, you know what? I've got all afternoon. I'm just going to wind my way home. Very enjoyable it's been too. Heading roughly in an Andover direction now. Going to get roughly there, then see where we're at time wise and temperature wise, decide what I'm going to do. Whether I get on the 303, hit the A3 and head home, or if I carry on round, cross into West Sussex, East Sussex, and then up into Kent. As comfort is not an issue on this bike, it doesn't actually really make any difference. But if I can have some fun in the twisties while I'm at it, then why would I not? Oh, go Castle Combe. Oh, I can get a picture of the gate. Might be good if I go right past it. Castle Combe race circuit. Lovely sign outside. Took the opportunity for a photo, like you do, and on we go. I didn't get it on camera, but back there's a big like estate house. It's all this green here. A very impressive gate. And I wouldn't have seen that if I'd have just followed my navigation. Look at that Mediterranean style turret. Yeah, so I would have seen that gate, but I wouldn't have seen the other one. And the other one was very similar. Half this village have got thatched roofs. Wow, chocolate box cottage. So we're working our way down towards Andover. Got about half an hour to go until I get there, and then I'll make the decision as to what I'm going to do. Whether I'm going to hit the motorway and just get home, because that'll still be a couple of hours, or if I'm going to add probably another hour and a half to that and continue cross country and avoiding the motorways. But once I've stopped at Andover, had a drink, maybe a bite to eat, and then I'll make a decision, see what we do. This is definitely familiar. I think I've been this way for work. Right, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and if there's anything you'd like me to do, then please let me know. Anything you want to see, anything you want to know about the bike, any gear I've got, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. And if it's something quite big, then I'll make a vid for it. If you want to shout out, if you're a subscriber, leave a comment and I'll see if I can mention you in my coming videos. The first shout is for Lee Chidenchen. Lee's in America. He moved there some years ago. He's a good lad. He used to have a 400cc Suzuki with a Lucky Strike paintwork. It looked the nuts. So this one's for you, Lee. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you fancy it, and maybe I'll call your name out on the next vid. Anyway, that's enough for me now, so I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.